Welcome to week 11. First, a final reminder to keep reading your books. You should be finishing them this week because next week you're going to have your final book planning with your team. And finally, all that's due this week is to read about two other topics that are really important in contemporary American education, and that is the study of the brain and the impact that has with learning, and also something very near and dear to our hearts during this pandemic and has been virtual teaching technology. So there are some pros and cons articles about that. You just take three notes, your three most important ideas from the brain-based information, and then three from the set of technology articles. So it'll just be six important ideas that you're taking away this week on these two topics. And you might want to think about these as part of your culminating project. You're choosing three areas that you want to focus on that you think are vital to education. So these may give you some information, or you may be picking some different ones at the end of the class. Enjoy your week.